Unlocking the Power of Echinacea, Health Benefits and Uses. Hey everyone, welcome back to Herbal Masked Prepper. I'm Herbal Prepper, and today we're delving into the wonderful world of herbs and natural remedies. Our spotlight today is on Echinacea, a remarkable plant with a rich history and numerous health benefits. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our health and wellness content. Let's get started. 1. Introduction to Echinacea. Echinacea, also known as coneflower, is a flowering plant native to North America. It has been used for centuries by Native American tribes for its medicinal properties. Today, Echinacea is a popular herb celebrated for its potential health benefits. Let's explore some of these benefits and how you can incorporate this powerhouse into your wellness routine. 2. Immune system support. One of the standout features of Echinacea is its ability to support the immune system. The plant contains compounds that may stimulate the production of white blood cells, helping your body fend off infections and illnesses. Whether it's the common cold or flu season, Echinacea might be your natural defense. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Echinacea is also recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is at the root of many health issues, and Echinacea may help reduce inflammation in the body. This makes it a potential ally for conditions ranging from joint pain to skin irritations. 4. Cold and flu relief. One of the most well-known uses of Echinacea is in the prevention and treatment of the common cold. Studies suggest that taking Echinacea supplements may reduce the severity and duration of cold symptoms. So the next time you feel that sniffle coming on, consider reaching for Echinacea. 5. Respiratory health. Echinacea's benefits extend to respiratory health as well. It may help alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions such as bronchitis and asthma. Whether in the form of tea, tincture, or supplements, incorporating Echinacea into your routine may provide respiratory support. 6. Antioxidant properties. Rich in antioxidants, Echinacea helps combat oxidative stress in the body. Antioxidants play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, contributing to overall health and potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Skin health. Beyond internal benefits, Echinacea can also contribute to skin health. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties make it a valuable ingredient in topical applications. Echinacea creams or ointments may help soothe skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis. And there you have it, a closer look at the incredible health benefits of Echinacea. Whether you prefer it in the form of tea, capsules, or tinctures, consider adding this herbal powerhouse to your wellness toolkit. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends who might be interested. Have you tried Echinacea before? Let me know your experiences in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in to Herbal Masked Prepper, and until next time, stay healthy and stay natural. If you have any specific topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop your suggestions in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness insights. Take care and see you in the next video.